The first thing I'm going to do is just grab two foam board and place them together, and I'm gonna take my tape and some scissors to cut it. I'm gonna make sure to line them up straight, and then after I line them up straight, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my tape and attach it in place just like that. After that, I'm gonna measure the size of the table, and then I'm gonna measure it to my foam board. I did 48 inches, and then I did 12 inches across, and that's because the vinyl is 12 inches, and you're gonna see later on. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and trace it out where I marked down just like that, and then I'm gonna mark the whole foam board. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife and start cutting it out just like that. But then I'm gonna need another two foam board to make the long piece, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process and attach it all the way. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and mark it down 12 inches and cut it out just like that. Then I took my vinyl, and this is just a 12 inches foam board. I'm gonna go ahead and attach some tape at the back and to hold it in place. And this is a way, you guys, that I just figured out to do it for it to be more easier for you guys to place the vinyl in the foam board. So then after you stretch it all the way around just like that, go ahead and take at the end of the vinyl and peel it like that, and then you're gonna go ahead and put the paper in behind, and then just straighten them out and attach to your foam board, and then just go ahead and slide it down. And this one is the easier ways, you guys, for you guys to do it. And then after you're done sliding it all the way to the end, almost to the end, you're gonna go ahead and take the tape out and take all the extra paper out just like that. Then I went ahead, I'm going to go ahead and take the first foam board and place the second foam board on top. And I'm going to measure 2 inches apart from each side. I'm going to go ahead and measure it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Then I took the extra piece from the other foam board and measured 4 inches. And I measured to the same size as the first foam board. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the foam board just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and take two small pieces, 4 inches by 6, and attach it to each side of the foam board just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed the same size of the first one, and I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it in place as well. Then you're going to put more glue on top, and then place your foam board and attach it just like that. For the wheel, I just Googled this and cut it on my machine, but you can always print it out or draw it. Then I took a piece of paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place my cutouts on the piece of paper, and I'm just put some hot double-sided tape and attach it in place. I took two circles, one small, one big, and placed it one on top of each other, and I took like 5 little lines to place it in the middle as well. For the table, I'm gonna go ahead and do the top of the table, and I'm gonna measure to the same size of the table, and then just gonna go ahead and cut it out, and then you're just gonna go ahead and place it on top and put some hot double-sided tape so you can attach it to your table. And then I took one of these pool noodle, and I took one of this wrapping paper, and I'm gonna measure to the same size, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the pool noodle the same size of the wrapping paper. Then I went ahead and took my knife, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a line all the way through it in the middle of the pool noodle. Then go ahead and with your finger and slide it open just like that. Then what you're going to do is just put the wrapping paper inside, and the reasons for this is to make it straight and hard. And then I went ahead and placed it inside just like that. Take your vinyl, and we're going to do the same process that we did with a foam board. We're going to go ahead and place it like that. Then for this one, just go ahead and peel it off on top of your table first. Just slide it down all the way, and then you're gonna go ahead and place your pool noodle on top, and then just wrap it around just like that. For this one, I suggest for you guys to cut it first before you put it. Don't put it and then cut it like I did. Like I put it and then I cut it. Then just take out the extra pieces from the side, and you want gonna go ahead and use some hot glue and attach it to your table to both sides and the middle. Then I took these mirrors and I spray painted in gold. Then I'm going to go ahead and use some double-sided tape and put it at the bottom of it and attach it to the table. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out so pretty. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think and comment down below. Is it a yes or no? Please, let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you haven't hit the little bell button, go ahead and do so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Please make sure to watch until the end, because I will show you how all the pictures came out of the birthday party. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.